my lovelies, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, super well and wonderful. Thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in today. I do appreciate it. Although I have to say I tried several times to start this video. Someone's knocking on the door, the phone's ringing and the interruptions just keep going and going and going. So I'm gonna rush through this video just in case I am interrupted again. In any case, as you can tell from the title of this video, it's a little bit of a bits and bobs haul for you guys, and I've got these things from Victoria's Secret. Let's start. We are going to talk about this beautiful lip gloss. This is called Glowing. This is what I do have on my lips today, and I went in with this is chestnut lip liner just to outline the lips a little bit. This is very, very pretty. I kept my makeup very, very simple today. And with this lip gloss, it looks so pretty. I love it. It's called Glowing. Let me bring that close so you guys can see it. It's going to be in the description box for you just in case you want to pick this up from Victoria's Secret. Very pretty. It is gorgeous. And I honestly believe if you have, let's say, a full face of makeup and you go in with a lip gloss, it's going to look real sexy. I think it's going to look really amazing. This is called Glowing. If you want to get this from Victoria's Secret, I'm going to leave this down below for you guys. Next, we are going to talk about this gorgeous body lotion. This is called the Victoria's Secret Melon Sorbet fragrance body lotion. This is so beautiful. It smells wonderful, and I love the body lotions from Victoria's Secret because I think they are so amazing and so pretty. I mean, look at the size of this thing. It is really, really big, and here it is right here, and I have a little bit of this on the back of my hand. And it smells divine. It smells absolutely wonderful. It smells gorgeous. Oh my God, it is just the most beautiful scent ever. And again, it's called the Melon Sorbet. It's going to be down below for you guys if you want to get it. And listen guys, whatever I have, I want you guys to have. You know, I love to share with you guys. And this is important to have. Victoria's Secret, it smells. Wonderful, absolutely gorgeous. Next, I have another body lotion here from Victoria's Secret. This is a Pear Glace fragrance body lotion. I remember back in the days, this particular body lotion, the Pear Glace fragrance, was always a hot seller. You can never, ever, ever find this at Victoria's Secret because it's always sold out. And this particular one is limited edition. So if you can find this online, pick up a few of them because you are not going to regret it. This smells absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on this hand. It smells wonderful. The best body lotion scent I think you can ever put on your body is from Victoria's Secret. Oh my God, it smells super awesome. Absolutely wonderful. Oh my God, try to imagine in the spring and summer season, you know, you just get up in the morning, you're getting dressed to go to work, to go to lunch, dinner, brunch, whatever, you put this on your body. Oh, it's going to be absolutely wonderful. Again, here it is from Victoria's Secret. It's called Pear Glace. And again, if you can find this online or in store, pick up a bunch because when this is gone, it takes forever to come back in stock. Next, I do have this beautiful red number to show you guys. This is a beautiful, gorgeous bra from Victoria's Secret. I am going to link my bra collection in the card somewhere for you guys so you guys can see it. I love this beautiful, gorgeous red number. I'm not going to hold it here because you're not going to see it. I love this looping detail right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this lace here, lovely, nice and stretchy, and in the center here you do have this lovely thick lace as well. And if I bring this close, you can see the beautiful, gorgeous gold design on here. This is very, 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 very pretty. And I gotta say guys, this bra fits like a dream. Oh my God, you know, wearing a nice white shirt and you see a little hint of this red showing through, it is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys so you can check it out. And it is absolutely beautiful. I love this so much. It is just gorgeous. Next, I do have this Victoria's Secret Lavender and Vanilla Relax Body Scrub. I opened it a little bit so you guys can see it, and I know I did not open this right, and this smells beautiful. Let me just pull this up so you guys can see it. You may not be able to see the whole thing, but it smells wonderful. I've never actually used a body scrub from Victoria's Secret before, but I can tell I am going to absolutely love this. I'm going to leave it in the description box for you guys. And again, it's Lavender and Vanilla Relax Body Scrub. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my God, absolutely loving this. And last but not least, I do have these beautiful pair of sandals. I love these colors. These sandals are from Boohoo. My size in the UK is a size 6. In North America, I can go between 8 or 8.5. These are absolutely gorgeous. And I love the color of these. They are very, very pretty, very spring and summer ready. And I love the beautiful chain detail just on the top right there, as you can see, okay? And I love sandals that are a little bit different and a little bit more stylish. And you do have a very, very tiny heel right here. And this closure is to the back, which is very, very pretty. Love this, and I cannot wait to wear this for spring and summer season. And you know, your imagination can go wild with how you can dress these sandals up. They are very, very pretty, and these are from Boohoo. And that's it. They're gorgeous. I love the color. I don't think I've ever had a pair of shoes or sandals with this color before. Very, very, very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous, and I love the fact that it has a nice pointy toe to it as well. It fits really, really comfortable. I like it, absolutely do. And again, of course, if I find the link for these from Boohoo, it's going to be down below for you guys as well. And on that note, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this little bits and bobs haul today. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you. And let me know what your favorites are, okay? My name is Odette. Thank you for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye.